Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm going to be sharing a special project with you. This is a shabby chic loaded pocket that I have made for one of my YouTube subscribers and Facebook friend. The recipient to this shabby chic loaded pocket is somebody we all know and love, and I'm not going to say who the person is. You may guess it when you get to see her initial on the front pocket, but this is a person who shares with us her creativity, and she spreads joy and love throughout the paper crafting community, especially those who just love to watch her shabby chic videos. So anyways, I thought it was about time that I would give her some love in return. So this is my very first shabby chic loaded pocket, and I tell you it was so super easy to make. You do not need a tutorial for this. You just basically take a double-sided 12 by 12 piece of designer paper, and you can pretty much figure it out yourself where you want the score to go, where you want to trim the papers. And what I did for the pocket here, I did do a couple of gussets, well, a gusset to each side so that it would be a little bit on the expandable side, because I did want to add several items in there, but I didn't want it to be too tight, and at the same token I didn't want it to be too loose. Ever since I altered my memory dex cards for Julie and Erica, I have been memory dex card crazy, so I decided to alter one and include it in this package. I also decided to include a couple of wands that I made using the Heartfelt Creations Ariana Lace dies, and I will be leaving a link to those dies in the description area below. And I figured one she can keep and the other one she can give to a friend. And what I've also done in this project is practice how to pretty up the packages. Now, I took a lesson from my friend Christine, who is Shabby Pink House, and you will see her package momentarily. And so instead of me just putting a store package in there, I thought I would have it match by putting some simple toppers in there on them, and I like the way they came out. So anyways, yeah, I pretty much used items from my stash. Oh yes, and what I'm showing you there is that not only is it a loaded pocket, but it is also a wall hanging. And what I've done to the back is I added some additional cardstock so that it would be stronger in the back, and I used my crocodile to punch a couple of holes, and of course I put some of the brads, I think you call them. I put them in there to strengthen up that area. I use my Spellbinders Richard Gray, what do you call it? What is it called? Silk luster to paint that beauty chipboard piece that you see there. And so yeah, it was a heck of a lot of fun creating this for my friend, and I hope that she likes it. And like I said, I am not going to give away the recipient. You may guess it when you see the letter D there. So her first name begins with the letter D, and there are so many ladies out there with the letter D. So anyways, yeah, I hope that she likes it. And I want to say a big hello and howdy to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for dropping by my channel and subbing. And if you just happen to land on this video and you're not a subscriber as of yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. At Decorate Your Life, I do a lot of paper crafting videos, some tutorials, a haul once in a while, and some traveler's notebooks and planner videos every now and again. So thank you all so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. I really enjoy having you here, and yeah, hang around and let's be friends. I'll see y'all again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.